Hey guys, welcome to Shalini Futique. It's me Shalini. Today we are going to see how to make banana chips. For this banana chips, I took a particular type of banana. This is called plantain in English and Nethrampazham in Tamil and Malayalam. All we need to make this banana chips are just 3 ingredients: green unripe plantain, half a cup of water with half teaspoon of turmeric powder and a half teaspoon of salt and oil to fry. Now I am heating the oil in a pan. On the other side, I am going to peel the bananas and keep it ready. I am going to slice the banana directly in the oil. Or slice the banana in a plate and then add the slices to the oil slowly. I am heating oil in a pan. The oil is hot now. Slice the banana directly to the oil. If the banana is really raw and green, the slices will not stick to each other. Once you drop the slices, it will start floating. If the banana is little ripe or a little yellowish on the skin, the slices will start stick to each other and you cannot reach that yellow banana chips. It will turn into little brownish. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Once the oil bubbles reduce, you need to add the turmeric salt water into the oil. It's the time. You can see the slices and the oil. Now add the water. I'm adding 3 teaspoons of water for this amount of slices. Cover it and cook for 30 seconds. Then remove the lid and mix it. So the turmeric and salt mix evenly to all the slices. Let it cook for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Our chips is ready now. Drain all the oil and take it out. It is ready to serve. Try this yellow yummy banana chips at home and enjoy with your family. If you like my recipes and videos, do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.